Dear God, help me to overcome fear and walk in your love and truth today. Replace my anxiety with courage and strengthen my heart to trust in your promises. Guide me to live boldly in your truth, grounded in love, so that fear has no place in my life. May your spirit empower me to reflect your peace in every situation and to share your love with those around me. Let truth guide my actions and love shape my words as I walk closely with you today. Thank you for breaking through the darkness and healing my soul. I am grateful for your constant faithfulness and the way you care for me, always ready to help carry the burdens I bear. Help me walk in the freedom you have given me, laying down every weight that holds me back. Strengthen me to trust in your love and live each moment fully, knowing that you are with me. May my life reflect the joy and peace that come from walking in your light. Thank you for your great grace and forgiveness. I am a sinner saved by your mercy, and I am eternally grateful for the new life you have given me. Help me to walk in this grace daily with a heart full of grateful and humility. May your forgiveness inspire me to extend the same love and mercy to others. Thank you for never giving up on me and for the unending grace that sustains me. Help me to walk in purpose today, guided by your wisdom and direction. Open my eyes to see the things I cannot see, revealing opportunities, lessons, and blessings that might otherwise go unnoticed. Align my heart and actions with your will, so that I may fulfill the calling you have placed on my life. Lead me in each step I take and strengthen me to pursue your purpose with faith and courage. May everything I do today reflect your love and bring glory to you. I come before you with open hands and willing heart. I surrender my worries, my plans, and my desires to you, knowing that your ways are higher than mine. Help me to trust you completely, even when I don't understand. Give me the strength to let go of what I cannot change and the faith to follow wherever you lead. Fill me with your peace, knowing that you are with me and that your plans for me are good. Thank you for the countless blessings you pour into my life. Even in difficult moments, I know you are working for my good. Help me to have a heart of gratitude, to focus on your goodness, and to appreciate the gifts you have given me each day. Teach me to thankful in all circumstances, knowing that your love and faithfulness never fail. Let my gratitude be a testimony of your grace and a light to those around me. Dear God, I come to you weary and in need to your strength. When I feel weak, remind me that you are my refuge and my source of endurance. Fill me with your power to face every challenge with faith and courage. Help me to trust in your plan even when I don't understand. Renew my spirit, give me peace, and let me walk in confidence, knowing that you are with me. In moments of loneliness, remind me that I am never truly alone because you are always with me. Fill my heart with your presence and surround me with your love. Help me to find comfort in you and to trust that you have a plan for my life, even when I feel unseen or forgotten. Lord, bring the right people into my life, those who will encourage, uplift, and walk alongside me in faith. Give me peace in the waiting and joy in knowing that your love is constant and unshakable. My mind is restless, filled with worries and endless thoughts. I come to you tonight, ask for peace. Help me to release the things I cannot control and trust that you are working everything out for my good. Quiet my anxious heart and replace my overthinking with faith. Remind me that you are in charge and I don't have to figure everything out my own. Let your presence calm me so I can rest in your perfect peace. Thank you for being the source of true joy in every season. Remind me that my joy is not found in circumstances but in you. Fill my heart with peace and gratitude even in difficult times. Let your presence bring me strength, hope, and a joy that cannot be shaken. Help me to focus on your goodness and so spread joy to others through my words and actions. May I always find delight in your love and trust that you are working in all things for my good. Thank you for the gift of this day and for the countless blessings you pour into my life. Even in the difficult moments, I know you are working for my good. Thank you for your love, grace, and faithfulness that never fail. Help me to have a heart of gratitude in all circumstances, trusting that you are always with me. Let my life be a reflection of thankfulness for all you have done and all you continue to do. I come to you today seeking wisdom and guidance as I face important decisions. Help me to trust in your plan and not rely on my own understanding. Give me clarity, peace, and discernment to make choices that align with your will. If I am uncertain, remind me that you are my guide and that you will direct my steps. Let my decisions bring glory to you and lead me closer to the purpose you have for my life. Thank you for your unfolding love that surrounds me every day. Teach me to love as you love, patiently, selflessly, and unconditionally. Fill my heart with kindness, grace, and compassion for others. Help me to love even when it's difficult and to receive love with gratitude. Let your love be my guide in every relationship, and may I always reflect your love in my words and actions. Thank you for loving me first.